So welcome back to my channel, guys. I am Jacque Monae, wig specialist and master cosmetologist. I help women to bridge the gap and get unstuck. So you guys know this channel is all about hair, wigs, business, and up-leveling our beauty industry careers. But y'all also know too that I love to do DIYs. I just love it. I said I wanted to kind of switch it up and kind of share little things that I love. I love interior design, and so I'm going to share my interior design passion, I guess, and love for home decor. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do this today. I actually did this by myself. Well, not by myself, but me and my son actually did this together. And you guys wouldn't even believe how much I spent for this wallpaper. This was $103. Literally 103 bucks. But in total, I paid about $115. That was from shipping because it came from the UK. They do have a US based business here as well, but I actually got it from Wallpaper Direct. And also too, I'm happy to announce that you guys will be able to save 10% off on this wallpaper and any other wallpaper that you guys see on their site. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. And I'm also gonna go ahead and put on the description section, if you guys have your wallpaper, you can, not wallpaper, sorry. If you guys have your wall, you can measure it, and then they have like a calculator that's in there where you can put the measurements, the length and width, and then they'll be able to calculate and tell you guys exactly how much wallpaper you need. I think this one was 75 square foot, something like that, and I use one wallpaper. The reason why this has this little space over here, I thought the wallpaper wasn't going to be enough, but it actually was, and I was so upset that I started it right there. I could have started all the way at the very, right here at this corner. And what I was going to do is I was going to put like a border around this, but I don't think that I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do that anymore. I think I'm just gonna leave it just like this. I love the way it looks, and it's pretty easy. All you do is it just comes in a roll and you pretty much line it up. Yes, make sure you guys stay tuned and watch this quick little tutorial on how I achieved this wall. I'm gonna put everything that you guys need in the description box so you guys can get everything from Wallpaper Direct. And make sure you guys like, subscribe, share, and let me know what you guys think. So let's get started. So when you first receive the wallpaper, it's going to be in a box. You want to take it out of the box. It's just going to be one long roll. So you just want to unravel it, and then you start from there. Also, too, before you go ahead and start applying your wallpaper, make sure you check the walls and make sure that there's no dents, no sort of holes in the walls, because you want to make sure you go ahead and like use those pastes and fill it in. So right now what we're going to do is we apply and lay down the glue first. And then once you lay down the glue, then you go ahead and you apply the wallpaper. So you see it's just one roll, and then you just go ahead and apply it one roll at a time. So just to not confuse you guys, remember again, it's just one long roll. You put on the first row, the first roll, and then you roll it down till it fits to the very end. Use your box cutter, cut it off. Then you go ahead and you continue. But I use a total of, the roll was a total of 4 pieces that I use for the wall. But remember, it's just one long big roll. And then you just continue with matching up your designs and so on and so forth until you're done. But it's just as easy as that, and all you do is you put down the glue first on the wall with a paintbrush, or not a paintbrush, a paint roller. Roll on the glue, and then you apply the wallpaper. Be sure you guys not to use too much glue. And this literally took me 30 minutes to do, so it's very simple and easy. And as you guys can see, I went ahead and I messed up like right there. I don't know if you guys can see, but right here, I'll probably zoom in. And how that happened was because of the glue. And I think once it dried on that. I didn't notice it until after. I'm still doing my research on how I can go about moving it, but all I did was just, kind of fix it like that. But like I said, this setup, I'm not gonna leave like this. I just wanted to go ahead and do this little setup for this video purpose. And then also, if you guys notice this very last one, that very last design isn't matched up with the other ones. And we did this like 2 o'clock in the morning, and both of us, me and my son, we were tired. So, you don't really, I didn't see it until the very end. I didn't catch it. So one thing I would say, when you guys are lining it up, make sure you guys pay close detail on how you're lining it up. And honestly, that's it. It was a total of 4. And I still have a little bit piece left, but for the most part, I use majority of the wallpaper, and it literally comes in just one roll. So you just line it up, roll it, And I mean, it's real simple, it's real easy. Just match up the designs and you just go on and go on. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share. And then don't forget to take advantage of that 10% discount. Yeah, so like I was saying, you don't necessarily want to use this for this wallpaper because it will bruise it and kind of maybe put like some scratches and dents in the wallpaper. And this is actually the glue that you use. This is actually the glue that I used from the last wallpaper that I did in my living room. And this honestly can stretch you to about maybe 6 projects. And so I didn't even use that much. Yeah, so I have to show you guys a close-up. Like, isn't this cute? Do you guys see this? This bomb wallpaper, right? This is everything. And like I said, I actually did this on a budget, paid $103, but the good thing about it is you guys will be able to save even more than I did because of the 10% discount. But this is so cute. I had so much fun with this wallpaper. Yeah. And you guys know my home, my little mom cave / wig room. My color scheme is blush pink, gold, and black, and white. So those are my colors. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my little thing back here. I just wanted to go ahead and do this quick video and show you guys what it looks like. So yeah. And so that's pretty much it. That's all I did on how I achieved this wallpaper. Guys, I'm sorry I did not do a more in-depth video, step for step for step. But if you guys go back, I have another video where I did another wall at actually my living room, and I did that wall step by step. So you guys can go ahead, and it's pretty much the same process for doing this. But what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna reorder this same wallpaper in silver, and I'm gonna do my upstairs bedroom. I'm gonna do that wall, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do an in-depth video step by step, just for those of you that still may be a little confused. But it's pretty simple. You know, the glue isn't messy at all. The only thing that I say that you guys don't is don't use the that little, I don't know what it's called, but the little blue thing that you use when you're trying to lay the wallpaper down flat. Because this wallpaper is fabric, I would say use like a warm rag, not a dry one, like a wet warm rag, and then that way you can just go ahead and smooth it out. And what that would do, it would remove all the bubbles, and just make it real smooth and flat. I wouldn't use that little blue thing because it's gonna end up scratching up the wallpaper, and I didn't know that until I actually started. And so that's one thing I would say. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share. And then don't forget to take advantage of that 10% discount.